Looking for a reliable trash dumpster rental in Concord, New Hampshire? Look no further than Dump It Dumpster Rentals. Our mission is to provide top-notch waste management solutions tailored to your needs. We offer the most reliable and affordable dumpster rental services. Whether tackling a home renovation, managing a construction site, or doing a thorough clean-out, we have the perfect solution. Our dumpsters are ideal for all types of waste, including household junk, construction debris, and yard waste. At Dump It Dumpster Rentals, we pride ourselves on our exceptional customer service. We ensure timely delivery and pickup so you can focus on your project without hassle. Our team is dedicated to making your waste disposal process easy. We offer flexible rental periods and competitive pricing to fit your schedule and budget. With our competitive pricing and transparent rates, you'll know exactly what to expect, no hidden fees, no surprises. Customer satisfaction is our top priority. Our knowledgeable staff is always ready to assist you in choosing the right dumpster for your needs and answering any questions you might have. Ready to get started? Visit our website at www.dumpitdumpsterrentals.com, Dumpster Rental Concord NH, or call 603-366-1511. For reliable trash dumpster rental in Concord, New Hampshire, choose Dump It Dumpster Rentals. Let us help you make your project a success.